How to get a beautiful hairline. Hi, I am Doctor Arvind Poswal from Dr. A's Clinic, Delhi, India. And today I will be talking about how you can get a beautiful hairline for yourself and why you should think about hair transplant as something which you can design, not your doctor. One of the first things which I ask my patients during my consultation is, what is hair transplant for you? You can pause the video right now. Think the answer in your mind. If you say that hair transplant is taking grafts from this place or this place and putting it on your head, then I'll say that you are wrong. That is the process of hair transplant, the labor of hair transplant. That is something which we doctors do. That is not the end product, and that is not why you are coming here to get your hair transplant. You are getting a hair transplant done because hair transplant is a way to get a desired look or a desired hairline. So that thing you have to get in your mind first. The second thing is why doctors did not say this thing since long. Why? Because the number of grafts which are available in your case, if you are very bald, is usually much less than what nature gave. So let's say a person is this bald, means Norwood 5 level. That would mean that he has lost at least nature given 15,000 grafts, possibly even 20,000 grafts. So if we have to replace it, naturally we have to see how we can get grafts. When I started in 2000 or even before that, doctors could take out only 3,000 grafts. By around 2005, we could take out 6,000-7,000 grafts. So at that time, when doctors used to transplant, then we used to put it in a particular manner to give you some amount of coverage. So it was said that we give an illusion of coverage. But with time, we were able to take out many more grafts. Now, for a routine Indian patient who has a decent beard along with head grafts, we can take out 8 to 10,000 grafts on an average. I am not even saying for very lucky ones. So those grafts we take out from the permanent safe donor area of the head and the beard. Now when we have large number of grafts, so that constraint is removed, at least to some extent. Now when you are going for a transplant, imagine in your mind, what is the look you want? Tell me that. You only need a doctor who is an artist. You need a lot of grafts. You need ample donor hair. So if you have good decent amount of beard and good amount of head hair, you have that donor also. And then of course, you need to tell the doctor or your artist doctor what hairline you want. I know people who want absolutely straight hairline, rounded hairline. Then there are people who want a single peak in center. There are others who want 3 peak hairline like Hrithik Roshan's. So if you are not still confident about what hairline you want, go through my photo gallery results section on Dr. A's Clinic's website, that is FUHT.com. So in the results section you will find a couple of things. One is that every hairline will look natural. You look closely. What is your job? You have to look closely, you have to see that no Photoshop has been done, you have to see that it looks absolutely natural, it is not hair growing like this or like this. That is what you have to see. That you see, then you come to know the caliber of your doctor artist. You come to know how good an artist your doctor is. Once you have shortlisted that, then you give your idea of hairline. In my website, in my result gallery, no two patients have the identical hairline. And I feel funny when someone says, okay, we'll put a light and we'll have a rounded thing. You had better put a utensil and draw a line and make zigzag and call it a hairline. That is not a hairline. That is a child's drawing. For a hairline, you need facial measurement, face structure, the facial features, and most importantly, the patient's preference. One patient may want this hairline, other may want something like this. So if you have ample donor, if you have a good doctor artist, then don't ask him what hairline he wants to give you. Tell him that, okay, I want this hairline. I know I had a patient who came back in 2007 or 2009 to me. He brought Tom Cruise picture, just this much. He's saying he wants this hairline. So I was able to give it. I also checked out and saw it is Tom Cruise. So similarly, we have done patients' hairline similar to Varun Dhawan also. So don't underplay yourself. This hairline will be your personality for the rest of your life. When you were born, no one asked you, what hairline do you want? You were just given that hairline by nature. Now is the time when I am asking you, if you have enough donor, if you are willing to use enough donor, then I can do your desired hairline.